For the first time since before the COVID-19 pandemic, people gathered in London for IMO's annual awards ceremony to honour those who have shown exceptional bravery at sea and those who, through their work, have greatly furthered the organisation's objectives. This year was also a chance to pay a special tribute to the late William O'Neill, IMO Secretary-General from 1990 to 2003, who sadly died in October 2020, aged 93. Mr. O'Neill's wife, Olga, was in the hall to hear IMO Secretary-General Mr. Keynote Lim open proceedings with some of his own memories of the late Secretary-General Emeritus. A video tribute was shown to the audience, illustrating many outstanding moments from Mr. O'Neill's time at the helm of IMO. This year, the prestigious International Maritime Prize was awarded to Professor David Attard, former director of the IMO International Maritime Law Institute, or IMLI. Presenting him with the Silver Dolphin Award, Keynote Lim congratulated Professor Attard, describing his impact on the maritime world and on IMO's work as outstanding. Next came the 2022 Award for Exceptional Bravery at Sea, awarded this year to Mr. Bo Zhu, Chief Officer of the oil tanker Jianqiao 502. Mr. Zhu was recognised for his determination and courage during a search off the north coast of China in December 2021. Looking for survivors from a sinking cargo ship, Mr. Zhu spotted two people clinging to a drifting life raft. Without hesitating, he jumped into the freezing sea and battled his way through the giant waves towards them. Once all were safely back on his own ship, Mr. Zhu performed emergency resuscitation on them both. Sadly, only one survived. The second succumbed to hypothermia. Accepting his medal from Keynote Lim to a standing ovation, Mr. Zhu described his race against death and told the audience he would never hesitate to jump overboard to save people in danger. Also awarded were 5 certificates of commendation and 6 letters of commendation to crew members involved in other rescue operations around the world. And 3 special certificates of commendation were presented to reward the bravery, professionalism and compassion demonstrated by crews of merchant vessels in the rescue of migrants at sea. This concluded an evening of moving stories of bravery and great courage.